everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 10th of August and in today's video I'm going to be taking you all to one of the grandest secrets of the state, which is hidden in a very quiet village of South Goa, which is the Menezes Braganza Pereira house. So let's start the video. The Menezes Braganza Pereira house is situated in Chandor, and its distance from Margao is just 10 kilometers, and from Panjim it's 42 kilometers. So this here is the powerhouse circle in Akem, and I'm coming from the Alem side. So when you all take a left turn from here and continue straight for like about 6 kilometers, you will arrive at the destination. So this here is the hidden gem in South Goa, that is the Braganza house. Okay, and you all can see just how huge it is. So now we will be going inside, and that there is the entrance to the mansion. At the entrance, you are welcomed by the sight of whitewashed walls with a row of tall colonial style windows. And once you step in, you are greeted by the high ceilings and a chandelier, and also the entrance of the east and west wing, each on one side. The Braganza Pereira wing is the east wing, and the Menezes Braganza wing is the west wing, which was closed when I visited. So come, let's explore this beautiful mansion.
I am the member of the family. We live here in a joint family and maintain the house on our own expenses. We don't get any funds from the government, so we have to do it on our own.
Okay.
This house is more than 400 years old, which was built during the end of the 16th century during the Portuguese rule in Goa. So most of the things you will see in this house are mostly European things, like the chandeliers are from Belgian glass. The marble on all the tables is all Italian marble. The furniture you can see around is all made in Goa by the Goan artisans during that time, and most of the furniture is more than 200 years old, what you can see now, and it is all handcrafted. And this is for your umbrellas and walking sticks. The bigger ones are for the umbrellas and the smaller ones are for the walking sticks.
Okay.
The lower portion of the wall here is a painting. It is done in such a way that it matches with the floor. The couple or any two persons to sit together face to face and talk. This is a terracotta water jar.
So this whole is the living area. Okay, and the things that are kept here are like so antique and so beautiful. It's so nice and also very airy because there are all these windows here, large windows. These ones are like closed at the moment, and those all are open. So that one is the gallery over here. This is the gallery of the mansion. You'll see rows of chairs, small round tables, walls that are decorated with porcelain plates from Macau, framed family portraits and photographs, and other antique items. It looks like a calm corridor of family memory.
This is from my son, sandalwood box which was meant to keep jewelry in the olden days. It is from my son, okay? It has 3 openings, 1, 2, and the third one is the drawer. This is the Philips radio made in Holland. It is of the 1940. This is the Portuguese treasure chest. This was used as trunks during their travelling by ships. A painting of the 16th century painted on the back of this glass.
The three cabinets in the gallery are filled with different kinds of things that were gifted to the family by the visitors. And this here is a wooden study desk with the pattern of the sun rays on it. Kept right here is a large catfish skull on display. And these that you'll see are the horns of rhinoceros and the teeth of wild boar.
This room is used for dining purpose and only on occasions, like the family occasions.
Still, it's
Still
being
we
used.
use it because we live here.
Okay.
Oyster shell tray from the Philippines. Made of oyster shells. It's more than 100 years old, which is from the Philippines. Beer marks, human beer marks. They are called stein. Stein, and they are coppered inside and wooden outside, which helps the beer remain cold for a longer time. And it used to work on kerosene. 1940, piece of the 1940. Terracotta bottles of gin made in Holland, Rotterdam.
This is the dining hall of the mansion, spacious and elongated, and it can easily accommodate around 13 people. So this is the whole view right from the dining area of the mansion. It's so green here and cool and all breezy.
This is our chapel, family chapel in the house, which has Spanish flooring tiles, a confessional chair here, a Spanish baroque design on the altar with silver candlesticks.
The family chapel is located within the west wing, and at its center is a statue of Saint Francis Xavier, and it also contains the relics of Saint Francis Xavier that were brought from Rome. So this here is the ballroom, and just look at how grand it looks. It's so beautiful when all the lights and everything is on, and so spacious. And the windows on this side are like all open, so it's quite airy. And just look at how big and nice it is.
Here the flooring is Italian marble flooring. The chandeliers you can see are all Belgian glass chandeliers. You can see the stained glass above the windows. They are all stained colorful glasses from Belgium.
And the walls that you'll see here, it is all hand painted, okay, so that it will match the tiles. No one would say at a glance that it is a hand painted wall. So these two chairs which you'll see were gifted by the King of Portugal, and these are kept here in the ballroom. This is a piano, and it is like 100 years old, not functioning at the moment. It's like a German made.
This is a bedroom, which we have a single bed over here. That's behind an open wardrobe with a single seater palanquin over this. This is the palanquin for one person. This is a dressing table. And a washing table.
And that what you'll see in the corner is a commode. Okay, so I'll just attach a clip of how it looks when it was opened, and then from here you take the exit. When you will exit the bedroom, you get a corridor that is attached all the way from the gallery till the bedroom, and you will find trunks lined up along the sides, shelves filled with books, and Goan terracotta decorated on top of it. As I walk through the last corridors of the Menezes Braganza Pereira house, it's hard not to feel like I've just stepped out of a living time capsule. This house isn't just a monument of the Portuguese colonial architecture, it's a diary written in wood, stone, and memory. So, if you ever find yourself in Chandor, take the time to visit and let yourself be transported to another era. And with that, I'm also ending this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care.